Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to digitize custom name patches with an offset outline. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just want to give this little disclaimer before I start my video, okay? I am not getting paid to do this video at all. I'm not. This is strictly my opinion. This is the software that I decided to go with after careful research and comparison and whatnot of all of the digitizing software that's offered. I decided to go with this particular one because, hey, it's going to work best for my business, okay? So I decided to go with Hatch by Wilcom. And the level that I went with is Hatch Embroidery Digitizer 3. So this one is for it's like beginner friendly, and it's also great for people that are experienced. So, I mean, they just have a lot of cool features. Like, I really, really love it. They do offer different levels, but I decided to go like the highest level just after, once again, doing my own research. And I said, hey, if I'm going to invest in this software and save money rather than going to another digitizer and learn the software, hey, I might as well go ahead and go with the highest level because they have a lot of user-friendly features. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to choose lettering / monogramming. From here, I'm going to choose lettering. And this is going to populate a text box where you can enter any text that you want. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to use my twins' names, and their names are Mia and Micah. So the very first name that I'm going to type in is Micah. I'm just going to leave the font as is, which is set to block 2. But if you wanted to change your font, you can just click the drop down box right here. And these are the different internal font options in the software. All right. So from right here, you're going to select the name and click on Create Layouts. When you're at Create Layouts, you're going to click on Create Outlines and Offsets. You're going to see this screen right here. So the very next thing that I would do is I would just hit OK, only because I have everything already preset from like previous custom name patches that I've already designed with the software before. And I typically use like the same style each time. I really don't switch up unless the customer asks for, something different. But let's say that a customer wants each letter outline as well as an outline around the name. And I'm just, okay, let me just click here. So in order to do that, you're going to click on Object Outlines. And Object Outlines is going to give an outline around each letter. Okay? And then Offset Outlines is going to give an outline around the entire name. So right here where it says type, this is just the stitch type. So if you wanted like a satin stitch, they have like a raised satin, single run, like different options right here, then you can choose that. And then also for the offset outline, you have the same options where you can choose a different type of stitching. But from here, you're going to click OK. And that's how it will look. And let's just go ahead and zoom in so you can see that. And I don't like that. See, that looks really weird. I don't like that at all. Okay, so I'm going to delete. I'm just going to delete this. Let me just go to undo and delete all of this because I don't like that. Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to click on Micah again, and I'm going to create outline offsets. I'm going to deselect object outlines because I do not want to have each letter selected. It looks really crazy. So from here, I'm just going to click OK. I'm going to outline the name. Voila, and that's how it looks. That's how you achieve the outset slash outline around the name. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have a tutorial request, please let me know in the comments section and stay tuned for more videos.